Hello guys, dito na kami sa Singapore. Sumakay kami ng maxi taxi. Kaya, ayun, ang mga kids tuwang-tuwa.
Yeah, it is very. It's like if it's like a normal car, but then these seats get like double. No, this we could just sit. Oh! I just closed my eyes. I'll go for it. I'm scared. Yeah, I'll go for it. But it's only heights. Technically, you're not going like. See the way? I don't think this is supposed to speed jumps. It's you're not like going super fast. Oh.
That's it.
Even if it's slow.
Linis dito sa Singapore, first time namin mag-vacation and hoping for a good one. Ang daming building. Nag-book kami sa Furama Hotel Center Point sa Chinatown. Pinili namin ang Chinatown area kasi marami iba't ibang pagkain at lugar na pwedeng puntahan.
City Center. Yeah, I saw.
Oh,
You're blind.
really?
You're blind.
I don't look up. So guys, we're here. We're in Furama City Center Hotel.
No.
Check-in. Hi guys, napaaga kami. Actually, ang check-in is 2 o'clock pa. So, anong oras pa lang dito? Siguro mga 8. So, babalik na lang kami ng 12. So, iwan na lang muna namin yung mga luggage namin sa baba. So, we'll show you around sa aming room para mapakita sa inyo. See you guys! See you!
Mamaya na.
See you! See you!
See you.